Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to unbox this. I'm going to unbox this foldable Maizoa Wagon Stroller, and I'm also going to set it up. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So this is what I have got from Amazon. Sorry about that. It's around 260 if I'm not mistaken, and I'm going to do unboxing. So first I'm going to cut the tapes. Of course, it's not required to have a knife. You can use other tools too. Okay. All right. So this is the first layer gone. What else I have? A layer of foam. Fine. And the tools. Okay. And this. And I'm gonna take the items out. Hopefully it's not tough. So this is what it comes out to be, an instruction book. So I'm gonna begin with, okay, so I'm gonna follow the instructions. So first I'm gonna remove the outer plastic, okay, so that the inner items are exposed. So next I'm gonna cut these, okay, so that these can expand when required. So I've taken that off now. The next is to fit this handle, okay. See what I'm doing, like, see, it has got holes here, so just put it here and then press this and attach it. So I'm going to do this, and then you hear the click, and then it moves like this, okay. So one more step is over. Now I have aligned this in the exact same way as this. Next is to here I need to attach this wheel support, okay. So let me try this. And before we do that, we have to take this off, and this same thing on the other side too. Once you do that, you can put this pedal part inside. It's very easy to push, but there's, like, you can see here, yeah, this you need to press, and then from both ends you need to push it inside. So when you do that, keep pushing until it fully goes inside. See, it's completely attached. So one more important step is over now. Next step is to attach the wheels. So in the front, small wheels; in the back, big wheels. So first of all, take those out, and it's just a matter of click. Like, I just pushed it inside on the direction of this holder, and it simply went in. Let me see if I can show you for the other one. Okay, just I need to lift it a bit. I'll try with as much as I can. Yeah, did you hear that? That's it. That's the, like, very important step, but very easy step too. Next step is to attach big wheels here, okay, both the sides. So take the big wheels out. I take the first big wheel. Hopefully it's also like the just click, and so I'm putting it. Yeah, it's just got attached. Perfect. So I'm gonna turn it around and do it for the other wheel too. Again, it was just a matter of slight push and a click. So this wheel attachment is also done. All four wheels are in the wagon now. So the wheels attached, it's now ready to be unfolded. Okay, now it's stationary and we are all good with this. I can first, let me take this out, okay, and just slight push, side pull on both sides. But before you do, see, there's a lock here, so you need to unlock this, and now you can just pull it apart. So how does it look? You can carry a lot of items in this, okay. Wow, nice. Adding the seat, there was nothing special, just put the seat, and here you have this. So just attach it, you see, put it inside, the pockets take out, put back, attach. That's it, all four sides. Perfect. So with this, it's ready and ready to use. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.